Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another scam exposure video. Guys, today we are back here with Pusher Mania. Now this app literally promises $10,000 reward in an Amazon gift card. If that is not the dodgiest thing you think you've seen in your life, then I don't know what is, my friends. This is an app that Google needs to crack down on. The fact that it promises real life cash if you knock it off the side of the screen here, like on the bottom of the screen, it just amazes me how this is still allowed to trick people to this day. And if you don't know what I mean, this app I think has like 5 million downloads. What it does, right, it tricks you at the start to think you're going to win heaps of money. It gives you all the flashing lights, it makes all the sounds like as you're hearing now. But everyone, I have some bad news. The app is completely fake. So you will never get your payout. And if anyone out there has evidence of a payout from this app, I want them to send it to me, please, in an email. Go to my YouTube channel, get my email from the details page, okay? Send me proof of a payout of Pusher Mania. I have been doing this nearly for 3 months and I haven't been able to see proper, legitimate proof of payouts. All I see are people's very angry real life reviews, okay? There are reviews on this app and people are very angry. To say they're angry is an understatement. It's almost like someone's literally spat in their face, okay? Because what ends up happening is people actually devote so much time into apps like these, okay? They actually spend months thinking they're going to get real life money. If you have a look, technically I just earned, apparently, I've earned $6.69 in the span of 1 minute and 56 seconds, which is actually pretty decent, bro. Could you imagine earning that much money in a minute? Like, that'd be insane. But yeah, as I've given you the spoiler already at the start of the episode, the app is completely fake. There is a slot machine element to the game as well, just to add that extra little spicy gambling element to the factor here. You'll always get jackpots at the start. I think if you download this app right now, you will always get jackpots at the beginning, okay? If you play, it's someone do me a test. Someone download Pusher Mania, don't watch any ads, and literally just see if you get the jackpots 2 times in a row. Because I'm almost 100% guaranteeing that this is programmed and scripted into the app just to trick you into thinking you're going to win heaps of money. This slows down eventually, everyone. I have to say it's my favorite saying. I want to be careful what I say because I get in trouble now. YouTube's actually warned me already about swearing on my videos and stuff, alright? So I've got to be careful what I say. But this app is an app that gives you diminishing returns in the fact of you earn a lot at the start, but look at this, everyone. Look at the money we're earning now. Look at this, $15 already. It's been 3 minutes, okay? $16 now. It just keeps getting more and more. But yeah, this game or app, whatever you want to call it, game or app, it doesn't really matter. Ultimately, it's a scam at the end of the day. It gives you diminishing returns. You are never going to get $2. They won't even pay you out $2, bro. If you manage to sit here for this whole time grinding out 500,000 in-game tokens, they still won't give it to you. Or if you try and grind up $100, we're on 16 right now in the span of 3 minutes, so keep that in mind. Match 777 to win $777 worth of real life money through an Amazon gift card. You won't get that. Win $10,000. This is the biggest kicker to me. This is the biggest slap in the face. The fact that they promise you $10,000, everyone. Do you really think a little pathetic scam app is going to give you $10,000, dude? Could you imagine anyone, and literally the lotto, the real life lotto, real life slot machines will barely ever give anyone $10,000, okay? I think they're programmed to go off like once every year or 6 months, those grand jackpots. I don't know if you have, surely you guys have been to a slot machine. You've played a slot machine. Have you not seen how they have usually the minor prizes, the major prizes, the grand jackpot? This Amazon gift card is the grand jackpot. And you have to collect 36 fruit. That's it. That's all you need to collect, 36 fruit. Now, they don't tell you the spawn rate on the fruit is probably literally 0.01 each time you drop a coin, maybe. They don't tell you that, everyone. But yeah, it's very interesting. I don't. Do you even get the fruit from dropping coins, or do you get the fruit from the slot machine element? Because if it's a slot machine element, then you're never gonna get it, bro. It's Pusher Mania just needs to be banned. Essentially, at this point, somehow, we need to come together and get these apps removed off the Play Store because they are scamming an infinite a number of people. The amount of comments I get per day from people telling me they're getting scammed by apps like this, it's just such a sad feeling to me, everyone. Like, you have no idea how much it actually hurts my feelings. Now, as you can see, the app has turned from real-life money into the in-game currency as well. This is a big trick. This is a big trick these developers like to pull. They like to say you're winning heaps of real-life money at the start, but then look what happens, everyone. Essentially, what ends up happening is you get in-game currency instead of real-life money. It's a complete joke. It's a complete joke. Oh, no, hang on. I've activated some sort of jackpot again here. I love it. I love the jackpots, man. Makes me feel like a real man, everyone. Look at this. We're a real winner today. Seriously. It's pathetic. It's 2 cents. You're winning 2 cents, apparently, per drop there. What's the point? Like, what's the point? Look at the amount of yellow on the screen compared to green right now. And I'm actually the reason why the green's dropping, because I'm triggering it. See how it says click to earn green? It's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to click up there and you'll get green, apparently. Very sad. It's very sad, and I hope, as I said, that something gets done eventually. I don't think it ever will, but what do you do, everyone? What can you physically do? Do you know what I mean? We're stuck with an app like this. That's just how it works. I am tapping here, though, so better keep giving me green. I like the fact that I won 300 in-game currency as well. That's nice. 23,000 in-game currency. We're now playing for about 6 minutes in total now. Apparently I got... Okay, so to put it into perspective, the first jackpot I got about $4. Now I got 94 cents. Diminishing at its finest, everyone. There you have it. Love it. I love the fact these apps are so obvious in their scam. They don't even care, bro. Like, they literally don't even care that people know. Or, like, because they know Google's not going to do anything. They know, dude. It's not hard to see. I'm getting the... Why are the coins? I'm getting the coins in the slot machine little thing down there. What, there's only green coins I have to go in there? I don't understand. Nah. Hello? Game? Okay, whatever then. So if you have a look, we have 32,000 in-game currency there out of 500,000. We're never getting that money, number one. Number two is we're on $21 in a span of about 6 or 7 minutes, which is pretty interesting. Free, longer. Okay, we get a longer bar here to push the coins. Oh yeah, look at all that money, even though it's in-game currency. Seriously, everyone. Here we go, 120 real-life currency now. Let's see what that percentage actually is. Let's see how much it was worth, though. You'll notice how it doesn't have the numbers on them anymore. It just has the dollar signs. I reckon it's about 1 cent. I literally reckon it's about 1 cent per drop. Here we go. It is 1 cent. I told you, everyone. These apps are so easy to read. Once you play enough of them, you understand how they work. They feed on people's need for money. Everyone needs money, obviously. These apps like to capitalize on that and scam you guys. So please keep that in mind. Please stay safe and don't get fooled by these apps. Hopefully one day the Google Play Store or the App Store on Apple will do something about these things. But for now, we're stuck with them, and all I can do is warn you, okay? 777, here we got another jackpot, everyone. Get ready. We're about to win a whole bunch of 1 cents. Excellent. Here we go, it's kicked in. Oh yeah, 1 cent, baby. Click to earn green. It's just the same concept over and over again. Guys, stay safe out there. Don't play Pusher Mania, whatever you do. It's an app that has been verified not to pay. Go look up real-life player reviews before you play any of these apps. Trust me, it will save you months of your time. Stay safe out there. I'll catch you all in the next episode tomorrow, guys. See you around.